English is the main language used in training. It's a national language used in South Africa. All learner books, textbooks, everything that's printed, that's reading material, or used in schools, is in English. So it's important that every candidate or employee is actually able to operate and cope, read, write, and speak in English. It happens that employees that maybe left school early or had to look after their families, couldn't complete schooling or the matric, actually has skills gaps and needs bridging with regards to training in English. So that is the typical candidates that has skills gaps. Also the ones that's totally illiterate in English, we're also able to help them, but all our training is done in English. Our learner materials, workbooks, exams, everything happens in English. So for the ones that really can only do the cross and are totally illiterate in English, it's not to say that we can't assist them. Those are the illiterate candidates which obviously needs to communicate a little bit in the mother language. So the facilitator will then bridge them into English. But that is for the low level, level 1 basic candidates. But it is possible, obviously, to teach them, to show them how to read, write, and speak in English so that they can also cope and operate action within the workplace. Most companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat with me to get answers for your site.